20C number 1. One public opinion poll uses a simple random sample of 1,500 drawn from a town with a population of 25,000. Another poll uses a simple random sample of size 1,500 from a town with a population of 250,000. The polls are trying to estimate the percentage of voters who favor single-payer health care insurance. Other things being equal, the first poll is likely to be a bit more accurate than the second. The second is likely to be a bit more accurate. Or 3, there is not likely to be much difference in the accuracy between the two polls. The answer is 3. They're going to be about the same. Now, the reasoning behind that is, first, the number of tickets in the box does not affect any of our equations. Okay? The other thing is, as long as the number of tickets drawn is small compared to the number of tickets in the box, we don't need to worry about them being any different. Okay? So if there were 2,000 people in the city and we pulled 1,500 people, that's almost everybody. That might change things. But the size of the sample is what's important, not the size of the population. All right, number 3. A survey organization wants to take a simple random sample in order to estimate the percentage of people who have seen a certain television program. To keep the costs down, they want to take as small a sample as possible, but the client will only tolerate chance errors of 1 percentage point or so in the estimate. Should they use sample size 100, 2,500, or 10,000? You may assume the population to be very large. Past experience suggests the population percentage will be in the range 20 to 40%. So what's wrong with 10,000 people? It's too big. It's going to be really expensive. Will that poll be accurate? Yeah, it will be accurate. What's wrong with 100? It's too small. So 100 people would be cheaper, but that would have a more inaccurate poll. And 100 is just kind of small. We want 500 or more. But we actually don't want more than like 3,000 or 4,000. It is possible that you pull too many people, kind of. So 2,500 would be best. And 4, 100 draws are made at random with replacement from each of the following boxes. The SE for the percentage of ones among the draws is smallest for box and largest for box. So they all have half ones and half zeros, which means the standard errors are the same. Because standard error is not determined by how many numbers are in the box. It's determined by how many draws you make from the box. All right.